Hey y'all, how's y'all? Today I will be ranking each and every total drama character from each season. S plus being the best of the best. These characters are flawless in my opinion. And F being absolute dog shit. Okay, Zico for season 1. He didn't really do much. He did not deserve to be in first boot, so I'll give him an A. I'll give him a high A. He's a very high A for me. Now Justin. A low C, let's be real. No, a low D. But are you for real, bro? What? Why are half of these characters not loaded in, bro? Okay, I'm just gonna have to switch to a new tier list. Ezekiel, already know, high A. Now Eva. Also, I'm gonna just put all the people I already put down. Now Eva. She's a pretty good early boot. I wish we got more of her. She should have 100% been in World Tour at least. Like, you could have brought her back to be Team Victory and have her the final boot in Team Victory. Like, come on. A very middle B. Katie, E. Tyler, we already know. S. Izzy, I'd say low C tier. Cody, B. Beth, D. Sadie should not have gone as far as she did. Courtney for season 1 is an S. You can argue yourself. Harold easily. Bridget. Okay, my bad, guys. I just had to do something real quick. Bridget for Total Drama Island. Okay, anyways. Bridget for Total Drama Island. She's a solid B. Actually, no, she's in middle B. Easily S. Along with him. You know what, let's just put all the obvious ones. Okay, then Gwen, high A. Owen is a solid A. Now Chris McLean, the highest of A's. Now Chef, we didn't really get to see a lot of Chef, but the moments we do, give him bottom A. Okay, that has my total stuff. The Total Drama Island characters. Let's get 50 likes and then I'll do the Total Drama action characters. See ya.